Hi, welcome to another Elkins Travel Adventures. We enjoyed a new RV resort called Splash RV Resort. It's just off I-10 in Milton, Florida, and it's not very far from the beach. It took us about 30 minutes to drive to Navarre Beach area. We really enjoyed this new RV resort, so I'll give you a quick review of our experience at Splash RV Resort. We enjoyed this nice, spacious, and level pull-through spot. We drove our motorhome that had a van pulled behind on a tow dolly. We had plenty of room to pull right in, so we enjoyed that. There are back-end spots available as well. I will say that the I-10 noise was very loud when you were outside, since we were on the side closest to I-10. They do have a lot of spots over to the other side that it did seem a little quieter because of the trees and being a little bit further away from I-10. But I will say this was a beautiful park. As you can see, the trees and the level ground, the landscaping, everything was really well taken care of. It also had brand new facilities, so the bathhouses were real nice, and we enjoyed that. The price does include your stay at the water park, and I'll show you that in just a moment. On this property, they also have a little bathroom area to go with their wagons and wigwams that they have right there that you could stay in. That was pretty neat. Something different that I'd never seen were those wagons. Then they have these adorable little cottages, and those were away from I-10, these little cottages. They were on the back side of the property. They also have a nice dog park, pickleball, other amenities of things to keep you busy and entertained. We thoroughly enjoyed the water park area. This is included with your price of your stay, and it's only for park guests, so there's not other people coming in and out of this area. The kids thoroughly enjoyed this, so did I. The pools are heated. There are two really fun slides and an awesome lazy river. There's even an adults only section that you can go to if you were adult only. They had an arcade. There's their Gaga ball back there in the back. They had several yard games and stuff that people could play and hang out. Great music playing. It was a really fun area, and our kids had such a good time. It was so close to the beach. It took us about 30 minutes to get to Navarre Beach area. We enjoyed hanging out at the beach, doing some fishing, enjoying some great seafood at the local places there. This was really a great family trip, and I cannot wait to go back to the Splash RV Resort. 3 things we liked about Splash RV Park was the water park. That was great and so much fun. Spacious and flat sites was really nice. It was also near to the beach. 3 things we didn't like was the I-10 road noise. And then a couple of times we took the kids over to the arcade area and it was closed. And then lastly, what we didn't like was that we had to leave. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Splash RV Resort. And what's the ETA to your next adventure?